Hello, traders. This is Andy from Trade Ideas, and it is May the 11th on a Thursday. So let's take a look around, seeing a gap down in the spiders, but really right in the middle of our range. This market, guys, I think there's two ways to play it. First of all, you don't play it for swing trades. There are definitely some opportunity out there, especially in the large cap technology. We're seeing that. I'll mention a few today. But if you're a swing trader, you probably want to go with small size until we can either break out of this range. You see the range up there, that alert in the spies there at around 417. Then of course you got your downside range down here below 403. So just keep it tight out there. Q's pretty much a stronger picture there because of the leading Nasdaq stock. So different picture there in the Q's. But let's take a look at some uh, possible trades today. I'm liking, this JD for a bounce, and the reason I'm saying that is because they did have earnings. They're gapping up out of this range here, key pivot level right here that it could not get through. We're seeing a gap up above that JD, kind of a bottom fishing one, so you want to go with small size there. But Amazon, I think you got to continue looking at it. I called it the other day and actually entered this trade back here around 106, a little below. And I think if it gets through, which it's gapping up above this level right here, we could have another $3 or $4 in that Amazon. Meta's another one that's kind of been threatening to break through this level. Keep an eye on Meta there for a break above that level around 230. Let's just call it 237.50. And Donkey Kong, DraftKings. A big gap up after earnings. It's holding that gap. Yeah, look for a move above 125 there. All right, guys, that's it for today. Have a great day. Talk to you tomorrow. Bye bye.